QR codes give a digital dimension to your products and services as they bring offline engagements into online conversions. Not having a QR code is a big loss of opportunity for innovative marketers.
In this video, we are going to show you how to integrate QR codes in your marketing campaigns and be truly innovative and catch the eyes of your prospects and customers. Number 1. QR codes in car shows as print. Physical flyers and business cards usually end up in the trash bin. Most people simply misplace them. With QR codes, your prospects will have all your information right on their smartphones. Display a PDF QR code on site and encourage prospects to scan them to save a PDF copy of your car model. Create a vCard QR code so people can add your sales representatives and contact them for more questions. Use a Google Form QR code so people can scan and fill up to get updates for an upcoming model. For every print material you have, create an equivalent QR code format and drive more sales and traffic. Number 2. Use interactive landing pages such as a video. Here's a secret to highly converting landing pages for your QR codes. Use interactive and engaging content such as a video to capture the attention of your prospects. Invest on creating video content that showcases your automotive business. Number 3. Use dynamic QR codes to save time and money. With a dynamic QR code, you can edit the data behind your QR codes, even when they've already been printed or distributed amongst your sales team. A dynamic QR code can also be tracked, allowing you to measure and improve your campaigns. This is a great way to save time and money. Number 4. Add QR codes on car components for reduced vehicle theft and customer ease. QR codes can also be used to solve the problem of vehicle theft. Your prospects will most likely buy certain models from dealerships who offer extra protection on their investments, with a QR code on every part of their new vehicle. Transport department will be able to track the owner of lost vehicle effortlessly. Number 5. Educate prospects and customers on how to use their vehicles for after-sales customer satisfaction. Create QR codes that inform users on how to use their vehicle properly, how to maintain car performance, or even general tips when on the road. Let your customers feel like you care about them even after you close the deal. Not only does this help in word-of-mouth marketing, but your customers will most likely come back to your dealership when it's time for an upgrade. Conclusion: QR codes are great for generating awareness and converting prospects to leads. QR codes is a great way to create excellent customer experience even after the vehicle has been sold. Create a QR code today with QR Tiger and start reaping the benefits today.
Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time to learn more how to apply QR codes successfully.